The Supreme Court reconvenes tomorrow with a Mobile cop killer at the top of their docket. Justices will begin hearing cases despite the controversy surrounding President Trump's nominee, Brett Kavanaugh. News 5's Nicolette Schleisman is in the studio with more.
Jason, the 8 Supreme Court justices will hear the appeal of Alabama death row inmate Vernon Madison. Madison's lawyers argue he shouldn't be executed because he suffered strokes and dementia, which left him unable to remember killing Mobile police officer Julius Schulte in 1985. 67-year-old Madison is one of the longest-serving inmates on Alabama's death row. He was scheduled to be executed in January, but the Supreme Court stayed the execution to consider whether to take this case. Madison's attorneys say his medical conditions have left him unable to understand his execution or remember killing Schulte, who had responded to a domestic disturbance call involving Madison. Madison's lawyers argue executing someone in such a poor mental condition will violate the ban on cruel and unusual punishment. It's now up to the 8 judges to decide, which could split a decision with 4 conservatives and 4 liberals on the court. The president had hoped Judge Brett Kavanaugh would have been confirmed prior to the start of the court session. Instead, Kavanaugh's hearing was delayed after allegations of sexual assault came to light, and the court will remain divided. As for Madison, his attorneys will proceed despite the court's balance and permanently stay the execution of a man who killed a Mobile cop 33 years ago. In the studio, Nicolette Schleisman, WKRG News 5.